And thank you for the Blue Corridor 2013 to have a stopover in Copenhagen. It was a success up to now. We were 120 delegates, and we had some really good speeches. They gave us a good status. They gave us new informations and updated data for the natural gas recalls in Europe and especially in Denmark. With the awareness for the public people in Denmark, I don't think they are aware of natural gas cars. They do not speak about natural gas cars when they are together with family, friends. Even if they have to buy a new car, they don't think about cars driven by natural gas.
I think what we experience here at HMN Natural Gas is that an important driver for the NGV market in Denmark is the perspective that you can use biogas, and then you can have you can drive green with the biogas. So it's very important that we get biogas production along, and we have a growth in that respect. And here at our company, we try to support that development. The lesson is that we're not looking at a revolution, we are looking at an evolution that is going to be a slow transition from diesel and gasoline to gas, natural gas, biogas. Even in our neighboring countries, Sweden and Germany, they have tax subsidies and other subsidies for gas and transport, and even when they have that, it has been a relatively slow development. And I don't think we'll have the same subsidies here, so it has to be a development driven by us proving that gas for transport is a superior technology.